Hello everyone. Today my speech topic is about the big data. The reason for I choose this topic because we use technology very normal, but why we always do not notice what is the affection after the big data and how it works. Actually, the reason for I choose this topic is other reason because like when I use my phone, when I search for something, it will show me the the advertisement about what I searched for. So that makes me think about it, how the technology use and how the big data change affect the society, affect our lives, and how we use it correctly. So let me to the next slide. What is this speech about will be divided into three main parts, and during the end of the speech, I will make a conclusion for this. So here is about the first one is what, and I will told you what is the big data is, and how it affects, and some examples show it to you. The third one is about how do we using big data in a practical way and how do we think about it. The reason for I choose the next slide are all words and some my opinion. The reason for me do not use the data because I consider that if I choose data to show you that and told you everything, maybe that is I consider that it be a lazy way to you. So I feel that I need to tell exactly what I thought and all the opinions and ideas was collected from my outline link. If you need so, I will told you my email and send a link to you. So let's begin. What is the big data? Here is the exactly definition about it. Actually, in my opinion, the big data is like a kind of technology that collecting lots of information first, and by using it, you can get a lot of words, some exactly words to make your problem and solve your problem correctly. So here you can see there are three ways of big data, like volume, velocity, and variety. Then after define it, I will tell you how does the big data affect our society. Here is the three way of how the big data technology affect. Actually, the big data truly help the business way because if you are a business people, you need to face lots of data every day, such as how many products that I need to sell and how many money that I want to earn. So it can help the level data will depend a significant cost balance. And here is the example for the big data advantage. And then here is the social and economic benefits. And all the thing for this is about the thing that the big data actually make our economy better and make our life easier. So let's continue to the deeper one about whether the big data is danger. I made it divided into two sides. The left side is the good one that I consider that one is should be better in size and unique advantage and special blah blah blah, and the Internet of Things that all things make our life become easier, such as you can buy things on the internet, you can search everything on the internet, and the big data knows what you want, but there is also an important thing behind it because the big data, it will be obvious a big data by many players and International Museum of Big Data, including machine errors. So for this one, it will be easier occurred and happened in some games. So if you have the technology and you have the big data, you can make some events like what should I say? Maybe just like if you have an Apple or whatever things, you can make the data to do some bad things. And here is the Museum of Big Data, like the course, selecting course, if too many people in that page, the computer and the web page do not extend, it become error. Here is the conclusion for what I want to tell you. How do you think it's clearly and how does it correctly? Actually, it's just like kind of use whether oil source car or use cars that need electric. So we can slam into it and we did nothing wrong. So we need to simple code with big data analysis, use it in benefit or do not use it in the bad things. That's the main things that I want to tell you is big data is a good toy for use, but do not use it in dangerous way. Like if you search and ask Google how do I kill a person, no, stop doing that. And maybe some police will notice your internet. And here is another way of it. But one of my friends will make another speech about the big data about security, so I will do not talk about that. The main speech is about the how the big data, how it affects and whether it is danger or not. That's all. Thank you for listening.